Skund nyiri ma St. George's boro Nairobi koro olor apoya tok jopuonjre bedo marori kendo ng'anyo. Wachore ni chal ma kamano kel kod tim ma japuonj moro chwado achiel kuom jopuonjre kendo kelo ne hinyruok. Tend skund no owacho ni okang' mar loro skul gi sani en machiwo thuolo makare matimo nonro kendo fwenya diere wi gino manotimore kendo miyo jopuonjre ng'anyo.
Come across a situation of this kind, it is customary to close the school for a short while. However, those that wish to remain
we have made a decision as the security team and the board that we declare the school closed. Further communication will follow.
What exactly happened yesterday night?
Investigations are ongoing.
What are the preliminary information that we should...
We are doing investigations.
On what?
On what transpired. Yeah?
Kindly tell us
yes,
what transpired.
We are doing investigations, surely.